take a big, nice deep breath in off your regulator. Take the mouthpiece out. Remember to blow those little bubbles and the mouthpiece goes down on the regulator. Throw it over your shoulder. Right arm comes out straight. Lean to your right. Touch your right knee. Touch the butt of your tank and do a big swoop around. With your left hand, come up your right arm till you find the hose. And then for a purge clear, press the purge in front while sticking your tongue out by the hole between the bite tabs. And you should be good to go. Next, I'm going to show you how to do regulator recovery, this time with a blast clear. So again, take a nice deep breath in off your regulator. Take the mouthpiece out, blow those little bubbles, and again the mouthpiece goes down on the regulator. Again, throw it over your shoulder. Right arm comes out, lean to your right, touch your right knee, touch the butt of your tank, do a big swoop around. Left arm comes up your arm till you find the regulator. And again with our blast clear, do a big exhale at the front of the regulator and you should be good.